Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a super frustrating and specific issue that a lot of you have been asking about, the Love and Deepspace weapon unlock error. You have completed the challenge, you've earned the reward, but that new weapon just won't show up in your inventory. I know how annoying that is, but don't worry, I've got a few fixes here for 2025 that should help get you sorted. Let's get right into it. So the first and simplest step, as always, is to restart the app. I know it sounds too easy to be true, but sometimes the game just needs to refresh its connection to the server to recognize that the unlock was successful. Make sure you close the app completely, not just minimize it and then relaunch it. If that didn't work, it's possible that the most likely cause is a server-side synchronization error. This is common when you complete an objective, but the game servers don't register it properly. The first thing you should do is check the official Love and Deepspace social media channels like their Twitter, Discord, or Facebook for any announcements about server maintenance or known bugs. The developers are usually pretty quick to post about these things. If there's no official notice, let's try clearing the game's cache. Over time, your device stores temporary data that can sometimes get corrupted. For Android users, go to your phone settings, then to apps, find Love and Deepspace. Go to the storage and cache section, and then at the very bottom, you will see their clear cache option. Tap on it. A final, more drastic solution is a full reinstallation of the game. This should be your last resort. Before you do this, make sure your account is linked to an email, Google Play, or Apple ID. Once you're sure your progress is saved, delete the app, re-download it from the App Store, and log back in. This will give you completely fresh, clean installation of the game files. If you have gone through all these steps and the weapon is still locked, it's time to report the bug directly to the developers. The best way to do this is through the in-game customer service portal. You can usually find it in the settings menu. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible, including your in-game UID, what weapon you were trying to unlock, and what you did to try and fix it. Attaching a screenshot or a screen recording can be a huge help to them. I hope one of these fixes works for you and gets you back to enjoying Love in Deepspace without any more errors. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you have found a different solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.